everyone. In this module, we will be covering how to plan the standard tour plan, that is our STP. So STP is basically our 24 days one standard plan, which excludes all the weekly offs. So it is a 24-day plan. So once you fill all these days according to the plan, like on which day you want to meet which customer. So once this plan is ready, you can directly populate this plan in your monthly tour plan that will be month wise. So I'll be covering the MTP in the next video. So let's talk about STP. So STP basically is a one-time plan. So this is the responsive page. That means you have to be connected in the internet connectivity while you are doing STP. So you can see here in the right side corner, there are three horizontal bars. So that is called as hamburger menu. So once you click on this hamburger menu, a slider window will be opening. So in slider window, you will be able to see plan option. So when you click on this plan option, there will be three options below this plan. That is your HTP, view HTTP and MTP. So because now we are doing HTTP, so we will be covering these 2 points, HTTP and view HTTP, and MTP we will be covering in the next video. So let's start with HTTP. So once you click on HTTP option here, the first option, a new screen will be opening. A day wise screen will opening. Okay, so now you'll be able to, I hope you are able to see the screens here. So once you click on the HTTP, a new screen will be opened, and in that screen all the days will be showed here. Now you can see all the days, for example day 1, day 2, day 3. So till 24 days will be seen here weekly, and the day will be shown like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and all these days will be in red color. This indicates that you have not planned any customer. Customer means your doctor, your retailer, your hospital. You have not planned any customer on this day. So once you plan this customer on this any of the day, the color of the day will be changed to gray color. Okay, so let's start with the planning part. So once you click on day 1, a new screen will be opening, a new blank screen. In that you have to click on the plus icon in the right side corner. So once you click on the plus icon in the right side corner, you will be able to see two options here, plan customer and delete plan. So if you have already planned the customer, you can delete it by clicking on the delete plan. And if you have not planned the customer, you're planning it right now, so you have to click on plan customer. So let's click on plan customer and see what it will show. So when you click on plan customer, a new page will be opening where all the customers present in your MSL list. Now MSL list means must see list. This list consists of all three types of customers: doctor, chemist and hospitals. Chemist means your retailers. So basically this MSL list will consist of doctors, retailers and hospitals present in your list. Okay, so when you click on that plan customer option, a new page will be opening and all the customers present in your MSL list will be reflected here. So here you can search customer. Here in this screen, I'll first explain you how these screens look and what is the meaning of each and every word on this screen. So here in the right side corner, if we click on search button, you can directly search the customer by its name, because as we know, in a single reps customer list there are more than 100 customers. Like if we count, like there are 70 doctors, 80 retailers and 50 hospitals, it is plus 150. So I can understand you cannot scroll down each and everything. So if you remember, if you know what needs to be planned on what day, you can directly click on the name of the customer. Once you click here the name, that name will be shown here. You can just click on this tick mark box option besides the customer. If you click on that tick, and then you can save it. So this is how we can search the customer. Second thing is you can see all the customers town wise. Town wise means, suppose for example, there's a town called town Pattaya. Okay, in Pattaya there are five customers. Like in Pattaya town, there are five customers, and the rep is visiting the Pattaya town. So once he is visiting the Pattaya town, he will cover all the five customers in an ideal situation. So in that case, you don't need to select five doctors one by one. You can directly click on the Pattaya option. For example, here we can see on the screen there's an option, there's a town called as Fort Portal. Fort Portal. So that means in Fort Portal there are four doctors present in that Fort Portal location. There is Dr. Gerald, Dr. Imos, Dr. Sarah, and Dr. Lillian. So if you are visiting this all the doctors on same day, so you can directly click on this Fort Portal option, and this icon, the location icon, beside the location icon there's a box icon. So when you click on that box icon, automatically all the customers under this Fort Portal will be selected, and you can just click on save option. So this is if you want to select the entire town doctors, and you can also select second doctor wise doctor. For example, if you want to meeting, if you are meeting the Dr. Michelle from Jinja Road, so you can directly click on Dr. Michelle and scroll down Miss A. And if you are meeting the hospital Kakira Hospital, then you can click on this Kakira Hospital. So in that case, you can also select doctor by doctor, retailer by retailer, and hospital. Individual customer can also be selected from a patch. And then you have to click on save option. So once you click on save option, a toast message will appear, data saved successfully. That means your data has been saved. So when you come back on the day one screen, now you will be able to see the plan of day one. Yeah. So now I hope you are able to see the day HTTP screen. Here earlier the day one was in red color. Now it has turned to green color. And now we can see here there are three options. Now you will be wondering that we have selected almost more than four doctors, and here it is only showing three line items. So these three line items are not the customers. These three line items are the location on which the customer is present. For example, if you have selected Fort Portal, when you click on this Fort Portal line, just click on this Fort Portal Miss A. So when you click on that Fort Portal, you will be able to see all the customers present under that Fort Portal. See, if you click on this Fort Portal, if you have selected four customers, then you will be able to see the four customers. And the second example, if you click on this Kakira Sugar Works Bukato, if you click on this patch, then the customer which you have selected from Kakira Sugar Works, that will be shown under this strip. And the second thing, that is in this right side corner of every card, every strip, you are able to see one pencil icon, that is editable icon. So once you click on this editable icon, you can select or unselect the customer which you have already saved. Miss A, can you just click on this edit icon, the pencil icon? Okay. So when you click on this edit icon, you will be able to see the customer. So here from here you can select or deselect the customer. So here, since you have already selected it, it will be directly come as by default tick mark will come here. That means you have selected it. Okay. So if you click on that tick mark item, it will be unselected. And then in this way you can unselect the customer which you have already planned. So this is for functionality of the edit icon. So if you click on save, just click on save option. Yeah, so here we can see the changes. Now since we have unselected the Kakira hospital, now you will not be able to see the Kakira hospital in day one plan. Okay, and the second thing, here on the there are some numbers besides this pencil icon. So you will be wondering what these numbers are. So these numbers are basically the number of customers in that patch. For example, let's take the example of Fort Portal. So in Fort Portal earlier, if you must remember, we have selected all the customers from Fort Portal. So and there were four customers. That means out of four customers, we have selected all the four customers. Now let's take example of second one, Jinja Road. So in Jinja Road, there are six customers and we have selected only one customer. That is why it is showing us 1/6. That means on this location, there are six customers and out of that six customers, I have selected only one customer. I hope things are clear till here now. So this is the significance of this numbers. It just tells you the number of total customers present in that town or location. Miss A, can you just click on backward arrow? Yeah, so this is how we have planned day 1. Now let's plan for day 2. Okay, so now since Miss A is planning a day 2, so I'll explain you the screen of the landing screen of the customer here on this strip. For example, let's take Dr. David in Jinja Road. So Dr. David's specialty here is gynecologist. So you will be seeing a gynecologist written here besides the doctor's name. And the class of the class means the potential of the doctor. He is A class, B class or A plus. Based on class, we have the visit frequency. Visit frequency means VF, the short form of visit frequency. So visit frequency is nothing but the how many times you are going to visit that customer in that particular month. For example, let's take an example, Dr. XYZ. The visit frequency of Dr. XYZ is 3. So, as a rep, I am going to plan this Dr. XYZ on 3 different days. 3 different days I have to plan it in my HTTP or else my HTTP will not be submitted. So here you can see here there is 0/1 on the strip line of Dr. David. In the right side corner you can see 0/1. That is nothing but the 0 means the number of times you have planned that doctor in your HTTP, and /1 means that 1 indicates the actual visit frequency of the doctor. So for example, we can see in the upper column Dr. Lillan. In Lillan is a clinical officer, Dr. Lillan. Above Dr. Kanunga, So here we can see 1/1. That means this is showing 1/1 because we have already planned this Dr. Lilin in a day 1 plan. So that is why it is showing as 1/1. That is visit frequency is 1 and I have planned that doctor one time in my STP. So if you plan 2 to 3 times, it will show as 2, 3. The number will differ as the time you have planned. So this is the visit frequency concept. And now let me explain you, Miss A. You can fill the plan. By the time I will explain you the rules of STP. Okay. So there are 4 golden rules of STP. Hello. So I'll explain you now the 4 golden rules of STP. So by the time I explain the STP rules, Miss A, I request you just continue filling the plan. Okay. So guys, actually STP has 4 golden rules. I will suggest you to note it down because without considering this 4 golden rules, your STP will not be submitted. Okay, so first rule is you have to plan all the customers present in your MSL list. All the customers should be planned. For example, if you are having 150 customers in your MSL list, so you have to plan and you have to make sure that you have planned all these 150 customers in your plan. You have covered them, all the 150 customers, that is all customers should be planned. Second one is all the customers with respect to the visit frequency should be planned. That is, for example, there is one customer named as Dr. XYZ, and the XYZ visit frequency is 3. So in this case, you have to plan this XYZ doctor 3 times in your STP. So that means all the customers according to their visit frequency should be planned. So for example, if you have not suppose this Dr. ABC visit frequency is 3 and you have planned only 2 times. In that case, you will not be able to submit your STP because you have not planned that doctor according to the visit frequency. So the first one is all customers should be planned. Second one, all the customers as per the VF should be planned. VF is visit frequency. And the third one is all the towns should be planned. All the towns means for how many towns are there in like how many towns present in your customer list. All the towns should be planned. That means all the customers and towns should be planned. That is the third rule. All the towns should be planned. And the fourth rule is all the days. All the days means 24 days. So you have to plan all the 24 days in STP. You cannot miss even a single day. So if you miss even a single day, your STP will not be approved. So you will get an objection that you have to, that something is missed. So I will explain you if I can understand you how. Now your second question will be, how will I know that all these options are filled or not? So once Miss A has completed her plan for 20 days, so I'll explain you how to check whether you have submitted your, like you have planned your STP as per the parameters, as per these 4 golden rules. So let's wait for a bit. Let Miss A complete minimum 20 days of plan and then I'll explain you how to check this. And one more thing I would like to tell, in HTP you will not be able to see any holidays and weekly off because it is excluding of holidays and weekly off. Holidays and weekly off you will be able to see in MTP, that is monthly tour plan. So in STP there are no holidays and no weekly off. There are straight 24 days and you have to plan all the 24 days here. Mm, I think Miss A has completed planning her 20 days in STP. Miss A, can we? Yeah. So here we can see here that Miss A has completed all the planning of 20 days. Now we will see other guide. Here you can see the G option on the top side corner, right side corner. There are three options. One is home, three dots, and G. So if you click on this G option, G means guide. The name of this option is guide option. So here if you click on this option, you will be able to see the parameters which I have told you in color formation. For example, Miss A, can you just click on the G option? Okay. So since Miss A has clicked on G option, here we can see there are the red color means you cannot submit, it is your STP. Like these are the mandatory things and you have to fill these things. So since Miss A has only planned for 20 days and the 4 days she has not planned, that is why it is showing in missed days. The 4 icon here indicates she has missed 4 doctors. Missed patches means for example if you have not planned any patches, I think now Miss A has covered all the patches, all the towns in the customer list. So that is why it is showing in yellow color. Yellow color means everything is okay. You have planned your STP as per the golden rules and you can submit it. So if you miss any one of the patch, then it will also come as red in color. And the number inside this patch tells us that how many patches you have planned at present. And the second option is missed calls. Missed calls or overplanned call means first thing is like for example, if you remember, I have told you that in 4 golden rules of STP, all the customers should be planned as per their visit frequency. Suppose if Dr. A has visit frequency 3 and you have only planned that doctor 2 times, that is on day 1 and day 10. So you have not planned the doctor for the third time. So in that case, this will show as red in color, missed or missed call. Okay, so you have to make sure all the doctors are covered as per the visit frequency. Second, overplanned calls means suppose if the visit frequency of doctor is 3 and you have planned the doctor more than 3 times, which is okay. You can plan a doctor above his visit frequency. If you are meeting that doctor 5 times in a month, 6 times in a month, it is okay. So in that case, this will be showing as overplanned. And the third is overloaded. Overloaded means suppose overloaded underloaded concept is company wise. Suppose if your company norms, as per your company norms, a rep must meet at least 5 doctors a day. He cannot meet less than 5 doctors. So if the rep is planning more than 5 doctors, suppose if he is planning 10 doctors, 15 doctors a day, that will become an overloaded. And underloaded means if the minimum requirement for the call plan is 5 and he has planned only 2 doctors, so that will come in underloaded. As of now, these are not mandatory things. This is just for your information. So this is for underloaded and overloaded concept. So I hope everything is clear in this guide option. The red color means the mandatory things. It shows as a warning kind of thing where you cannot submit your MTP. You have to fill these columns. And the yellow color means everything is proper and you can, and it is non-mandatory thing and you can submit your STP. So uh, besides this G button, there are 3 dotted icons in the vertical manner. If you click on this 3 dotted icon, there are 3 options. Load from approved STP. That means, for example, suppose you have already first planned one STP and again you have deleted it due to some reason. So you can directly load from that planned STP which you have deleted first. Second one is reschedule. Reschedule means, Miss A, can you just click on reschedule plan? Okay, in reschedule option, we can reschedule the plan. For example, if you have planned few doctors on day 1 and you want to plan the same set of doctors or customers in day 21. So you can directly just copy it. So in reschedule, there are 3 options, that is swap. You can interchange the day plans. Let's talk about swap first. For example, suppose on day 1 you have planned Dr. A, Dr. B and Dr. C, and on day 2 you have planned Dr. X, Dr. Y and Dr. Z, and now you want that your day 2 plan should be shifted on day 1 and your day 1 plan should be shifted on day 2. In that case, you have to click on swap option from day 1 and to day 2. So in this case, the plan of the days will be swapped. So here you can see, I can see the day 1 plan and the day 2 plan. Once I click on save, day 2 plan will be shifted to day 1 and day 1 plan should be shifted to day 2. And The second thing is you have to make sure that you have not planned same doctor in the batch. Suppose for in day 1 you have planned Dr. X, Dr. Y and Dr. Z, and in day 2 also you have planned the same set of doctors. In that case you cannot swap because it is illogical to swap with the same set of doctors. Okay, so now let's move to other option. Miss A, can you just click on the three dotted icons? So we have finished with the swap. Now let's come to copy option. Now copy option gives you functionality or feature where you can copy the plan to some other day. For example, you have already planned for day 2 and you want to copy the same as it is planned in your day 21. So in that case, you do not need to plan day 21. You just have to click on copy and select the date from where you want to copy and select to date where you want to copy. So Miss A, can you just click on day 20? So now here you can see in day 20 we can copy all the doctors of day 1 plan. So your day 20 doctors will be also present plus your day 1 doctors will be also copied to day 20. So let's move on the other option, that is move option. This means you can move the customers from one day to another. So in this case, Miss A, can you just click on move? And click on save here, then the plan will be moved to day 22. So now you can see here Miss A screen. Can you scroll down? Yeah. So the plan which was present on day 21 has moved to 22 and the 21 days plan has been vacant. Now you have to again plan for day 21. So this is the functionality of move. So Miss A, I request you to complete all these remaining 3 days, then we can submit it. So since Miss A has completed all the 24 days, now you can see the red color icon here, which was showing earlier, has been turned to gray color. That means everything is done properly. So we have to click on submit option. Miss A, just click on submit option. Okay, so now Miss A has submitted her plan. So when we click on the hamburger, we have to come on the landing screen, and if we click on view HTTP, your HTTP plan will be showing as approved. You can see here. Yeah, I hope the screen is visible. You can see here, besides below the G option in the right side, you are able to see approved written here. So in this case, your HTTP is approved. Okay, so this is all about HTTP. So next video we will talk about monthly tour plan, how we can populate our HTTP into MTP, and or we can how we can plan a fresh monthly tour plan. Thank you.